In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for a location in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and pin your specific location. To do that, simply select the spot you want and tap on it. Once the location is pinned, you'll see a small menu appear at the bottom. Tap on the Share button or the Share icon. Now, select Chrome to open your location link. Tap on the link and copy the URL. In the search bar, type QR code generator and go to this QR code generator website. Once you're on the site, paste the Google Maps link you copied earlier into the URL box. Then, tap on Create QR Code and wait for the process to complete. Now, download the generated QR code. Open a new tab and tap on the camera icon to open Google Lens. Next, select your QR code image. It will display the link from your QR code. Tap on the link, and as you can see, this is the exact place we wanted to generate the QR code for. And that's it. Your QR code for the Google Maps location is now ready. You can share it anywhere you like. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.